Alright guys, it's been well over a month since I uploaded a video, and the truth is I'm super busy now. I'm not really sure how I'm going to keep up with making these videos, but I do want to make some, mostly because I want the people that are going to hire me to see how I'm going to take their pictures and how amazing they're going to be. Those of you that can learn something from this, please watch, ask me things, anything really. Just let me know I'm here. These are just some of the photos, and you'll see a little camera fail right now.
¿A quién se le cayó esto? Chris. Es de Chris Ross.
No, creo que el camera guy. Al camera guy.
Se le cayó. No, ya le voy a preguntar. Excuse me. Is your things?
Creo que sí. Déjame preguntarle al muchacho.
Ah, ¿es suyo?
Creo que ese es
Del otro señor.
Oh,
ok.
Yeah. Gracias.
Hello, hi. Do you mind if I get the bride's stuff, or like shoes, garter, and Daisy?
Oh, okay.
She's busy. Hold on. Yeah, so not having known the couple before, this is the first time I met them, and I'm asking them for their things, and you know, they're a little busy. They have things going on. There's things missing, and I don't know if they're panicking, but you know, everything's not super relaxed. So I backed off and I just waited until other people got here to give me the details I needed. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Finally, right? I was shake your hands now, right? It's all good.
Oh, it looks so beautiful.
Right? Alright, so one of the brides got here. I think she was running a little late, and she, of course, is busy as well. So I'm trying to ask for all the things, and I am not trying to be too pushy, but I do kind of need those things now. So in the video here, you'll see me asking for that. So Debbie, do you have all your stuff that I can photograph? Shoes,
Yes.
garter,
Let me get that.
and jewelry. This is your garter, okay? And I'll take your rings last. Last. And anything else you want photographed, really. So you saw me say that I'll take the rings last. I think a lot of photographers on YouTube or anywhere will tell you that the thing that they don't want to hold on to the most are the rings. Because man, if one of those were to get lost or damaged or anything like that, that would be horrible. But so I don't take them until I have only the rings. So I'll take pictures of everything else, then I'll come back for the rings, so that it's the one thing in my hand that there's no way I can misplace it or forget it, because I'm handling like 5, 6 other things, like all those things in my hand right there. So I'll get the rings last. Get everything first, then those. Alright, so this video is a little out of order. You can't blame me too much. This is a lot of work to do these videos. But so I took these shots before I asked for the details, and I just don't want to go back and rearrange all the video sequences. But so here I am taking photos of all these things, and I take a lot of photos. You can see that here, and this is not even, of course, not even a small fraction of all the photos. So before the bride got here with all the details, I'm taking photos of the details of the ceremony. So I'm getting this, I'm getting that. Once they got here, then I'm done with this part, and I'll get all the actual details of the wedding, like the shoes and the garter and all those things. But these are the details of the ceremony. Obviously I want to take photos of this whole thing, but there's somebody there and they're working on it, so you kind of have to find your moments. So right now I'll get a little bit close-ups like this. I'll get this, and I'll get the shots without anybody in the shot. Once she clears out, then I'll get a wide shot of everything. So I'm just gonna get some close-ups of all these little details.
You see this lady coming, so I'm gonna take this chance to go all the way back. And get my shots. Where to put the details? There isn't that much. Inside there's not that nice to get the details. Here there's a bunch of chairs and stuff which we can use. There's an empty barrel over there that I can use, but I thought it would be kind of cool to hang them right here. Get shots.
So again, I'll say it, I take a lot of pictures. I've said that before in my videos. No, they don't need 6 different shots of the shoes from this angle, that angle, that angle. They don't need that. It takes me a couple of minutes to do that. And so I do it because I like it, because I overshoot, and maybe the couples will appreciate it. And you know what? So far, every couple has appreciated it. And I tell them that I do this. You know, they're going to get a lot of photos, and all of them tell me, hell yeah, give them to me. I want as many as possible. So I do that, and I get a lot of shots of the details of this at this angle. Here I am spreading out all their details across this barrel, and all these things came in these little plastic bags, which is a pain in the butt to, you know, it takes a while to get everything out, to get them ready for photos. But yeah, you have to do that. Otherwise, you get plastic in the photos, and you don't want that. But here are some of the photos. Like I said before, this is just a fraction of all the ones that I got. So you can see here that I switched it up to this barrel to get these flowers as a foreground element. I think it worked. Of course, that's even more photos that I delivered of the same things, but hey, it looks nice.
Move that microphone so I can get a shot of this. And I'm holding all this other stuff.
If I had it my way, those speakers wouldn't be there, but I can't be moving around speakers, can I? No, probably not. Especially because they're all wired and everything. I wouldn't want to mess something up. But yeah, if it were my way, those speakers would not be right there. Why are they there? I don't know. Anyways, I got the rings, the last thing. See? Only one thing in my hand, those are the rings. There's no way I could lose them, right? So here I am setting them up. I take a lot of photos of them, of course. Again, once I'm done with them, I'll go back and give them back to the bride, and they're out of my hands. I make sure that they know that I gave them back, so that when they can't find it, they don't go, hey, let's ask the photographer. No. I gave them back to you guys, and you guys saw, because those are super important. You don't want to lose those for sure. Alright, so at this point I'm done with the rings, and I'm going to take them back to them, and here I am going back to them. I think this angle is pretty cool. What do you guys think about this point of view angle from this Instago? I really like it. I think I'm going to make the videos this way from now on.
Excuse me. Here are the rings back. So I'm gonna put them right.
I'm going to fast forward through some of this video. You don't need to see all of it, really. But here I am taking the dress very carefully. It's one of the last things I get to. Obviously, you can't get the dress with every other detail because you need probably both hands to carry the dress. So here I am hanging it here, and the wind isn't cooperating. So I'm waiting, make sure it's not gonna fall, get my shots, quickly get out of there, because that thing, it can't fall. Oh my gosh, that's probably just as bad as losing a ring. Maybe not quite that bad, but bad.
La ventana. Just do that side of her face. The other side. Sí, gracias, Ivana. Muchas gracias. Okay, yeah, those are good. Let's do a little one more. That was good. Look at her. Good. And then, you know, I'm doing a little video as well, so let me do a little bit more. 1 second. Oh, that's good. Smile at her. Good. Do you have a lipstick?
Yeah.
Yeah? So for video purposes, I do need a tiny bit of touch. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Just I'll tell you when
Do
though.
the middle inside.
That color or lighter color?
The middle inside. Because this is what I'm using in the middle.
Oh, okay.
Just don't touch her yet until I tell you. This is just for photos right now. Just one more, I swear. It's because this looks really pretty. Okay, so now for the next view, I need you to touch. Just a tiny bit. Not yet though. Let me get ready. Go for it. Good. Stay like that. Good. Yeah.
So if you're paying attention, you're probably wondering what the hell I'm talking about. I'm doing photo and video here to create a highlight trailer for them, which I'll show you at the very end of the video.
Shots of the time. So come right here. Can we disconnect this? And then you're gonna turn that way. Yeah. And who's gonna tie your dress? Mom?
Who wants to tell my dress?
You can have your mom if you want, or one of your sisters. I mean, it's already tied, so we're gonna pretend.
Mami, mira. Mami, puede pretend que me va a amarrar el y esto se tiene que meter adentro, no tiene que estar colgando.
Oh, la cola es.
Yeah.
So take one step.
Lo desamarra y pretend que lo va a amarrar.
One step back. Back? Yeah, right there.
Lo tiene que meter adentro. Le enseñó.
For those people that don't want a video, it's usually because they don't want to watch this long video, and I get it. But you know, the people that don't want the video, what they do end up wanting is a small highlight trailer. So I'm able to take pictures and video at the same time. Oh, not at the exact same time, but you know what I mean. I'll take photos and I'll video. The thing is that it's not just me. I have my assistant with me. My assistant is there to help me with my lights, with my bags, but also to capture some video. So with the help of my assistant, I'm able to produce enough video and a whole lot of photos. This gallery was about 1,400 photos, but also video. And with that, I'm able to create a small highlight trailer for people. Check it out.
What to do to blow my mind. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. This bed is out of space, just keep painting constellations. You cover me in glitter till I'm shining bright. I never wanna leave the sky. The way you made me feel alive. I was in the dark and baby, you're the light. You're from another planet. I've never felt like this. I don't know how I ever survived without it. I'm starry-eyed. Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with the moon. Take a trip around your body. Boy, I love the way you got me. Starry-eyed, got me starry-eyed. Couldn't fight if I wanted. Flying to places that I never thought I could go. You're a